Styrofoam Wings, Week 7. Remember to go back and prove all of your answers. Question 25. What does the speaker's sister do when she learns about the Styrofoam wings? A. She tells the speaker that she thinks the wings are cute. B. She asks the speaker to bring her something from the flight. C. She wonders if the wings will really work. D. She asks the speaker to make her some wings too. 26. The speaker in this poem is a young girl who likes spending time exploring the outdoors, settles a disagreement with her brother. H. Creates something to play with from ordinary things. J. Finds a clever solution to a problem. Remember to pause this to answer each question and prove your answers. Question 27. In line 29, pleased means A. Looked, B. Described, C. Wanted, D. Visited. Question 28. In the poem, which words help the reader imagine the speaker's experience? F. And I thought to myself. G. Those things upon my back. H. With great big trusting eyes. J. The cool of the gentle breeze. Question 29. Read these lines from the poem. 11. I said they might, they surely might. To know, I'll have to try. Line 15. I said I don't know that at all, and I won't until I try. The poet uses these lines mainly to show that the speaker, A, is confused about what she has made, B, wants to test her idea for herself, C, does not want anyone's help, D, is excited about showing the wings to others. 30. This poem is an example of a narrative poem, mostly because it F tells a story, G has a funny ending, H describes feelings, J has lines that rhyme. Question 31. By the end of the poem, the reader realizes that the speaker, A, is able to fly as fast as the birds, B, does not know how to use her wings correctly, C, needs the wind to help her fly, D, uses her imagination to feel like she is flying. Remember to prove all of your answers.